The first thing I like to do in Word is to set up my formatting before I start. Write a chapter heading. Then a first paragraph, followed by a second paragraph and then a second chapter. We're going to edit some of these styles. You can open the Styles pane on the right. I'll start with the normal style. Go to Modify Style. Rename it as First Paragraph. I'm going to select Times New Roman. 12 point. I'll choose Justify. You can decide on spacing here, I've it set at 1.5. Now you can see it in the panel at the top. Modify the next one along. This will be a normal paragraph, such as the second paragraph. All these are the same as the first paragraph. Under first line indent, choose the size of indent. I like 0.3 inches. These are the same. Now choose heading 1. Click Modify. Rename it. Ignore my poor spelling. Choose your setting here and color should be black. Increase the spacing before and after the heading. Click OK. Now click in front of each and choose the format to see if it's correct. To put your new chapter on a new page, choose Insert at the top. Scroll down to Break, then select Section Break, Next Page. Do this for each new chapter. You can see when I start to type after the chapter heading, it chooses first chapter automatically. Then Word chooses paragraph when I hit the return key. Dialog will also follow this rule, but you can set up a dialog setting separately if you choose, following the same system as I've shown you. Click on the Show and Hide button at the top of the ribbon. You can see when I add a chapter, there is space before and after as I set it up earlier. You shouldn't use the return key to make large spaces. Do not use the Tab key when writing your manuscript, this too can cause formatting issues. Click Page Setup. I always set the page size I write on to the page size it will be for print. This helps me know a rough idea of how many pages I've written and how many I might need to complete the book. Then set up your margins for the print version. Choose Mirror Margins for the left and right pages. Then choose margins that look right for your trim size. Choose Whole Document. In Layout, you can adjust the header and footer spaces. You can also choose different headers and footers for odd and even pages. I don't bother with these. To add page numbers, double-click in the footer area. Go to Insert at the top of screen, then scroll down to Page Numbers. Decide where you want the number to sit on the pages. Click Format, then click Start At. Click OK. Number 1 is on Chapter 1 page. But you can see numbers on the previous pages, which I don't want. So, click on the Chapter 1 footer. Then go up to Link to Previous and click on it to unlink it. Do this for each of the pages you don't want numbered. Then highlight the numbers and delete them. Update the table of contents by clicking next to Contents and choose Update Numbers Only. Now they will match the page numbers. You can add the table of contents after you have written your manuscript, but I like to be able to use it to quickly find chapters to rework or update. To add a table of contents, click on References at the top of the screen. Then on the far right, choose the Table of Contents down arrow. Decide which style you like and click it. It will insert the table, which is clickable for navigation.